I love watermelon. We are going to make a salted watermelon margarita, and you guys are gonna love this because it's super simple. And watermelon's like the best thing of summer, right? Right? Well, it is for me. I love watermelon. I like watermelon of all kinds of things, like Jolly Ranchers and margaritas and watermelon daiquiris. Yeah, there's all kinds of things. So you could use this salted watermelon juice in order to do that. So take 6 cups of chopped up watermelon, put it in a blender, because I know I'm going to spill it everywhere if I try to pour it. And we're just going to blend it all up until it liquefies. And then we're gonna have some tasty, tasty drink to make. I don't know where that came from. It just, it's like I'm devious. Okay, we're almost there. And now we make juice. Yep, there we go. Now we're gonna make juice. Let's keep our fingers crossed, right? Well, we got a little bit further. That's all that matters. We just needed some more liquid in it. There we go. And you're supposed to do this until you blend up all 6 cups of that beautiful chunky watermelon you got. Watermelon. Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to add a little bit more. Do not splosh it in the blender, Ruby. Do not splosh it. I tell you, you'll make a mess if you splosh. But now I got enough liquid to blend it up. Let's try that. Let's try that. Making a picture. Watermelon juice. Frothy goodness. We have our watermelon juice. Now, if you don't like pulp in yours, just get a really fine mesh strainer, pour it through into another container that's easy to pour, get as much of the liquid out as you can, but I kind of like a little bit of pulp. So we are going to take 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to throw it in already so I can pour some of that liquid over on top of it and help it dissolve. There we go. Look at how nice and thick. I think it'd be perfect with the pulp left in it for daiquiris. Get a little bit of, I like pulp in my OJ too, so, you know, personal preference. All right. Probably got that mixed up pretty good. I'm going to just blend the rest of it together in it. Oh, yeah. Pink goodness. Pink goodness. Stir it up. And then we are going to make a margarita. All right, now it's time for that margarita. So I have a shot of tequila of choice in my glass already. I'm going to pour some of the salted watermelon juice, which is going to be perfect for it. And because everything's already chilled, I don't necessarily need ice, so I get a really full one. And then take a squeeze of lime juice or just a little bit of lime juice in that. Stir it up. Get it all blended really, really good. You might even need to stir it with your finger because you need a little extra sugar in that, right? Yeah. Ooh, that's really good. It's the teller truth. A perfect summertime spirited drink, right? Oh, that's actually really, really good. It'd be good frozen too. I love the sweetness of the watermelon with a little bit of that lime juice kind of tartness. The salt works perfectly in it. You are gonna love this over the rocks, frozen, any way you like it, to help celebrate that little bit of summer. I love you.